Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Synthesia avatar problems and troubleshoot common issues with your AI presenter. First, open your Synthesia project and check the scene where the avatar problem appears. Look carefully at the avatar, script, voice, and scene layout to identify what might be causing the issue. If the avatar isn't appearing correctly, check whether the avatar is properly selected and placed within the scene. Make sure it isn't hidden behind another visual element or positioned outside the visible area. Next, check the avatar size and placement. If the presenter looks too large, too small, or incorrectly positioned, adjust the layout so the avatar fits naturally within the scene. If the avatar's presentation doesn't look natural, review the script and voice settings. Long sentences, unusual punctuation, or unclear wording can sometimes affect the way the avatar delivers the narration. Now, check the selected AI voice. Make sure the voice matches the language and content of your script. If the pronunciation sounds incorrect, try changing the wording or selecting another voice. If the avatar is not moving or generating correctly, preview the scene again and check whether the issue continues. A temporary editor or generation problem can sometimes affect the preview. You can also refresh the Synthesia page and reopen your project. If the issue continues, try using another supported browser or a private browsing window. Next, check any images, videos, or other elements placed around the avatar. Sometimes overlapping content can make the presenter appear partially hidden or incorrectly positioned. If you're using multiple scenes, compare the problematic scene with a scene where the avatar works correctly. This can help you identify differences in the settings or layout. For multilingual videos, make sure the selected avatar and voice support the language you're using. Review the pronunciation carefully before generating the final version. Once you identify the problem, make the necessary adjustments and preview the scene again.